Good morning, students. Let us continue studying English. Exercise simple past tense. Negative and positive and negative statement, please. Example exercise. Positive. I did play baseball yesterday. You did play baseball yesterday. We did play baseball yesterday. Negative. They did not play baseball yesterday. They did not play baseball yesterday. He or she did not play baseball yesterday. Questions in positive and negative. Positive question. I play baseball yesterday. I play baseball yesterday. Second one. Did I play baseball yesterday? Did I play baseball yesterday? Did you play baseball yesterday? Did we play baseball yesterday? Negative. Negative question. Didn't. Okay, did not or didn't? Did not, didn't they play baseball yesterday? Didn't they play baseball yesterday? Didn't she or he play baseball yesterday? One more, man. Didn't they or she play baseball yesterday? Please study hard. See you next time. Thank you.